Well, I just couldn't let it go, could I? I watched through the last video, part 3 of the spindle indexer, and I wasn't happy with the way it ended, so I've come back out of the workshop, and this is a short video just demonstrating how it should have ended. Hope you enjoy. Well, as you can see, I've mounted the 6-jaw chuck on the lathe, mainly because of its concentricity, not easy to say, and a couple of wine gums, and also the spindle flange slides over the chuck keyholes, and they don't protrude so much as they did on the 3-jaw. So I'm going with this one for the moment, and I'm cutting the spacers. I found some with a 1/2-inch nylon rod which I'm butchering at the moment in order to get the spacers. In the meantime, I've cut a new mounting plate which I've modified slightly, and I'll show you how that works later on. At the moment I'm just setting these. Oops. It's finished routing, but one of the bolt holes or the screw holes is not quite in the right place. I may well do it again so that the hole is in the right place, but at the moment I'm just going to go ahead and use 3 spacers instead of the 4 of the original design. I'm just going to part this off at 18mm. That one caught on the tool nicely instead of plopping into the swarf tray. I'll just go and trim the excess off with a standy blade, and then we'll set about sticking it all together. Everything's ready to be assembled now. You can just about make out the sticky tape I've got on here, and there's another piece going across the top there which I'm going to use to secure the mount temporarily to the headstock. I've got the 2 dowels in. This is loosely mounted on the chuck, and I'm going to line it up with this. All that's horizontal, and then press that on there like that. Bring the spindle flange up close to, but not touching the vernier plate. Check that's roughly aligned. Oops. Drop the pin. There we go. So, there's 0. So, what we do is, let's say we want to well, easily divide by 4. So we go round there, we go round to 80, 90, that's one division, another round to 180, I'll find it, 180, there we are. There's 180, rock solid, 270 of course, and then back up to 0. Similarly, if you want to do 3 holes, 120, 240, 360, and if you want some odd spaced holes, say 48 degrees, you turn it to 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and you come down here to the 8. I'm going to put some paint in here. There's number 8, and you turn the chuck to 8, and there you have a 48 degree turn. Similarly, if you want to do another one of 48 degrees, that's 96, so we turn around to 60, 70, 90, and go to hole number 6, that's 96. And so on, so forth, and so fifth. And that's how it works. Well, I'm glad I came back to demonstrate it and finish it off. And I hope you are too. So if you have been, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next time. Bye.